You're watching WMAR 2 News.
With this digital news update, I'm Kelly Swoop. More students across the U.S. are benefiting from school mental health days. That's what a new survey from Very Well Mind and parents found. Roughly half of the parents polled listed school as the top stressor for their kids. But about 80% of them who've left their children take part in a mental health day felt that it did have a positive impact. Right now, 12 states offer mental health days for public school students. Maryland is not one of them, but it has been proposed in the past. Baltimore City Schools says it is taking steps to get ready for the new school year. WMAR 2 News spoke with Dr. Sonja Santelises. She says the top priority right now is making sure students and teachers are safe, schools are fully staffed, and everyone is ready for the first day. City Schools now has around 225 teacher positions that are still open, but Santelises wants parents to know Baltimore City Schools is a place where they're working hard to make sure all of your children's needs are met.
That's the focus of City Schools. It's not just to give kind of a baseline education. It is to develop the gifts and talents of our young people.
This week, Dr. Santelises says she's been visiting the schools with new principals to reinforce support and plans to address all teachers virtually on Wednesday. Johns Hopkins University released a study that shows more children have type 2 diabetes. That jump in cases took place during the pandemic. Type 2 diabetes is a chronic disorder that affects the body's ability to regulate, use, and process sugar. Without treatment and control, it can cause heart disease, nerve and kidney damage, impaired vision, and other irreversible injury to organs. New diagnoses in people aged 8 to 21 went up 77%, and boys were 55% more likely to develop type 2 diabetes. Much of the rise was caused by changes to a child's routine during the pandemic, including a worsening diet, not getting enough exercise, and not leaving the house for school.
And now from WMAR 2 News, Maryland's most accurate forecast.
And high pressure bringing lots of sunshine as we head towards the middle of the work week. Numbers are going to be a little bit warmer as we see more sunshine. Low 70s as you're making your way into work, eventually climbing into the upper 80s for most of the afternoon, where those daytime highs will top out near 90 degrees across a large chunk of the state, mid 80s near the Mason-Dixon line. And as we head towards the end of the week, the 90s dominate. We're talking about the low 90s. A few more clouds Thursday with a chance for an afternoon pop-up Friday. Better chance for isolated showers on Saturday, drying out on Sunday.
Stick with us online at WMAR2news.com. We'll bring you updates on top stories and breaking news. And for news and weather while you're on the go, download the WMAR 2 News app in the App Store. Thanks for watching. I'm Kelly Swoop.